In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily trim and compress video files to fit any size limitation in Windows 10. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Okay, first head over to this site and download this tool called Tinybid. You will find the link in the description below. Once downloaded, install it in your PC and launch it. Once launched, select a video that you want to trim or compress. Now to trim the video, select the start point and end point of the video by dragging these nodes. After that, select required file size for the video. Then choose the resolution and frame rate. Now you can pick between faster processing or better quality to process. Once everything is selected, just press the process button. Now wait for it to finish the processing. Once it's done, open the file location to check if the file size is what you have selected. Great, it worked. That's it guys, this is how you can trim and compress video files to fit any size limitation in Windows 10. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.